Is Sonauto AI a legit free music generator? Let me show you what it actually does and if it's worth using in 2025. Sonauto AI is a music AI generator that turns text prompts into full songs with vocals and instruments. Founded by two Cornell grads and backed by Y Combinator, it's making waves for one big reason. It's completely free with unlimited generation. No credits, no subscriptions, no limits. You can make as many songs as you want. That's huge compared to competitors like Suno that charge $10 a month for just 500 credits. Here's what makes it stand out. First, text to music with vocals. You type a prompt like upbeat pop song about summer and it generates a full track with singing. Second, custom lyrics. You can write your own words or let the AI create them. Third, in painting and editing. Don't like the chorus? Replace just that section without starting over. Fourth, song extension. Make your tracks longer by adding more sections. Fifth, stems export. Download separate tracks for drums, bass, vocals, and instruments. And sixth, it uses a latent diffusion model, which gives you more control than any other tools. The quality rivals paid options like Suno and Udio. Let's talk pros. It's totally free and unlimited, the sound quality is really good, and you own the rights to your own music. And the editing features are powerful. The cons, well, it's still in beta, so results can be a hit or miss. Some prompts don't work perfectly, and the interface could be more polished. Also, there's no clear info on what training data they use. This is perfect for content creators needing background music, great for hobbyists exploring AI music, and good for anyone on a budget, and useful for getting quick song ideas. Is Sonauto AI legit? Yes, absolutely. It's genuinely free, makes quality music, and you own what you create. For a free tool, it's surprisingly powerful. Just remember, it's still developing, so don't expect perfection every time. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.